Good afternoon. It's April 1st, 2024, and today we had this trend channel down until we hit the measured move of the overnight range, and then we just went sideways for the rest of the day. So you can see prices gapped up at market open yesterday, and if you include that gap to the highs of that move, then we hit a perfect measured move, maybe like a couple ticks below it. So 82, 82. So we went about 1 point below it. So let's take a look at these trades. So, a lot of bulls probably got long in here and got trapped. And you can see, I mean, this bar right here isn't a strong close. So probably closes. So that's a sign that, maybe this isn't going to go very far. But unfortunately, after that, it looked really good. So it's easy to understand why someone would get trapped in here. And then we just go sideways here, and then sell off. And right after, well, actually, no, right before market open, we close that gap. And then it goes sideways to the trend line. I don't see a way to get in on this. That second entry short right there, that's a hidden second entry short. I don't, I'm not too sure you want to go short right there. Problem is, it also looks like a double test, so I understand why someone would want to go short there, because you see we make that, form that price level there, test it once, test it a second time. But this it's a micro channel. There's no new low in there. And so I think you are better off waiting. Form this or test that high again, and then you get confirmation of the trend line. It goes lower, but then it just goes sideways. And I'm guessing this was a news item. I didn't even check, but it's right at 7 a.m. and it's a bigger bar than the rest of these 20 ticks. And then we go lower, and you get another hidden second entry short, but it doesn't give us a good signal bar, unfortunately. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strong bear bars in a row. There's a micro channel. So we can expect another leg down. So you can expect another leg down. So when you get this second entry short, problem is this one doesn't make a new high. But that might be where you want to get a little aggressive, because we're still making new lows. And if you don't take that, I think this lower high is pretty good. Problem with this one is you're going into the lows. And then we get 5 bars with matching highs. And technically that's a second entry short, so maybe you take that one, but there's a lot of overlap there. But look how many times we tested that price level. So boom, we pull back, and that's a second entry short, but there's decent, it just looks sideways here. And this stuff is sideways, and then we go lower, pull back, first entry, second entry. Here my problem with this is that we definitely have a channel working down, and we came up short of that channel, and this to me looked like a final flag, as Al Brooks calls it, like we're getting one more push down. We ended up getting a few more pushes down, but this to me looked like the bears were losing steam. And so is this good enough? I'm not sure. These two big bull bars make me feel like there's enough bulls to, form another leg up, but maybe you take that. I don't think you want to jump in here. Boom, we bounce. You get a nice bull leg. and a second leg up to a new high.
I can't see my video.
So you get this micro channel break, move to a new high, and then we sell off again. And so maybe you take this big bull bar on that double bottom. That's technically a second entry long as well, with a lot of room back to the EMA. And then we go sideways a little bit at the midline, go a little higher, break out. This is what I would say. I would say this is the first time we broke out of this range. And so you're going to expect it to fail. And you get this lower high right here. Very good signal bar. I like this one. I also like this one. Unfortunately, both of them just get you a scalp. I mean, I guess I really wouldn't be looking for a swing here anyway, so I don't know why I said it like that. You got to be scalping that when it's a range. And, we get this bullish move up, but that's the end of the day, so I don't think there's anything in there. Let me open up the daily chart. All right, so here's the daily chart. We're still in this move up. I'm not sure. I don't think I've been looking at it like this. I've been looking at the level of resistance like this, and I've been looking at the level of support like this. So to me, it makes sense that we're getting, some sideways price action right here and some dojis, because I think we're just consolidating, and I think it's about to get a little crazy. Maybe a strong sell-off. I don't know. But today, just a bearish doji. So hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.